I'm so excited today because today is my first vlog, and we are on a trip to see a friend. So come with me and let's go. So guys, we are ready to go.
Southeast on Roosgaten, Roosinkertu toward Dobelninkatu, Dobelnsgaten.
Okay, that was the map. So I told you guys in my earlier video that if you don't know your map or your GPS, you can't get your directions right. Well, so we are using the GPS now. We are going to a town which is about 1 hour 30 minutes drive from where I live. So let's go, guys. I'm excited. My first vlog. I'm here with my husband. Hello, say hello. That's my baby.
Continue on to Coventry.
So this is my small city. That's the entrance to the hospital. So we stop on the way. We need to take fuel.
Take benzene, take
First. So that is what we are doing now. My husband is doing that. This is the GPS that is directing us to where we are going, and the dry grass is here. So they cut them, then they store it for winter. See the
livestock,
horses,
the
the livestock here. You all can see that white things you are seeing. So those are like haze. Someone is really sleeping right behind us.
Finland is one of the countries in Europe with very large land mass. So they have forests everywhere, and those forests, that is where they Charlie depend on trees. They have a lot of woods, really. Wood is one of their major exports. Export wood, and they have a lot of wood factories here in Finland. So Finland is like a very small country with very few population. Like mentioned initially, about 5.4 people live here in Finland.
4 million.
Sorry?
5.4 million.
Yeah, people live here in Finland. So it's a peaceful place.
Very calm.
Sparsely populated, and be careful for the people.
So as you can see, the leaves are changing color because it's autumn. During winter they shed their leaves and they all become very dry, and they wait for summer. I think these trees they are very strong trees.
Yeah,
They survive the whole.
Some of the trees survive.
Almost all the trees.
Yeah, they survive. They are called all season trees. Only this we call it all season.
Is it that Christmas tree, right?
Yeah, something like Christmas tree, because it's all season. Whether summer, winter, they remain green.
Yeah. That's what you're saying, guys.
Yeah, the all season tree. But other trees shed their leaves because.
So that is a lake. Remember, Finland is the land of 1,000 lakes. A lake, one of the lakes. They have good roads here. Yeah. Like the we are almost there.
In 500 meters at the roundabout.
Thank you for following us through our journey. So we are at our destination.
Right.
We are here. Hello guys. We have finally arrived to our destination. So I'm going to just see whatever goes on here. Thank you for following us. So guys, sorry I didn't get a video for the visit, but the visit is over and we are heading back home. I had a really nice time. I met some few old friends and it was fun. Sorry I didn't show. There was no video for that because it was quite private. Yeah. So I will let you know guys when we get home. So this is my small beautiful town and we have arrived home safely. So well guys, we are back home and we had a pleasant journey. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Bye bye.